Hello guys, welcome back to Your House Fitness. My name is Jerry, and today I'll be talking to you about the 3-day split. And there are several ways you may structure this split. You can do upper body and lower body. You can do 3 full body workouts in a week. But in my opinion, the best way to structure this would be the push-pull legs routine, which is perhaps the most famous and most used routine in the world right now. And basically, push-pull legs, obviously push, mainly we work on our chest and triceps. Pull, we work on our back, and legs, obviously legs and glutes. So for our push workout, we have the obviously compound lifts, bench press, incline dumbbell press, overhead press, and we have our accessories and isolation work with cable crossovers and tricep pushdowns. And for our pull day, we have barbell deadlift, bent over row, lat pull down, seated row, and we also have bicep curls. You can do a lot of sets with that just to target your biceps and fatigue them. And for the leg day, we have barbell squat, leg press, and then we have some machine work, leg extension and leg curl, and calf raise. It's really important to not ignore your calves. And as you can see, I put this as day 1, 3, and 5, and I leave 1 day of rest between each training day, just to really let your body recover. Even though you're not training the same muscle groups, your body can still get tired, as well as your nervous system. They can get fatigued from a workout, and basically every muscle group can get a lot of rest because you only work them once per week. And this workout split is also suitable for people who are busy with their lives, and they can just work out for 3 times a week and have 4 days devoted to their other stuff in their lives. So this is the foundations of the 3-day split, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you.